Welcome back, friends. With your permission, I'm here to give you my analysis for today, 10th of November. Before I do that, please note that I do this analysis with a lot of hard work. We put in a lot of effort. There are many moving parts in the world, and anything can appear at any point of time. That's why I want you to do your own analysis and use your own judgment as well. You may listen to my analysis, but eventually I'm telling at the beginning of the video, so you know that very well. At the end of the day, you must use your own judgment before you invest your hard-earned money. SGX Nifty currently indicating a sharp rise of over 187 points right now at the time of recording this video, which is substantial. That means that Nifty will be like 200 points up, so Sensex could be like 600 points up right at the open itself on the back of this Pfizer BioNTech news of a vaccine that can be more than 90% effective. First of all, this is not. It is a late stage trial, but the sample size has to be much larger. Secondly, it needs to be vouched by independent researchers outside the company. So that all we should wait. Yes, the travel stocks, entertainment stocks, etc. on United States exchanges have run up quite a bit, and we found that Dow Jones rallying over 800 points. In the close, it at one point it was up like over Dow futures were up like 1650 points. I had recorded a video saying it will not sustain. In any event, today I feel that. Yes, 187 we look on the this Sensex on the Nifty, but I believe that as the trading progresses, this such a big rise may get curtailed. In fact, I believe that somewhere down the road and between 11:30 and 12:40 we can even see some heavy selling. So we need to be careful. Just I don't think this will be as bright a day as yesterday. There could be a lot of spades of selling that may enter into the picture. We need to tread with caution. There is Bihar results which can play a major role in the markets today. And whatever happens today is going to be, as far as the Bihar elections, can have a major role because this could be a referendum on the Modi government as well. Although this is a state election, yes, but they were in an alliance with the ruling party over there. So this is a major election, first major election since the pandemic came to the fore. I think we should tread with caution, and if my analysis is right, then we may even see a heavy fall between 11:30 and 12:40, or somewhere in that range. So please be careful before you invest. Once again, be very careful and use your own judgment as well. Don't rely entirely on me before you invest your hard-earned money. I go out of the way in giving these predictions, but I do not want that anybody should point a finger at me later on. But this is very hard work I do. Those who would like to be a part of the Art of Investing program, where we teach you a lot where the markets are headed over the next week after, so you make wise, intelligent decisions, please WhatsApp me on 982 086 1044. We have 2 weeks program where I would love to have you be a part. Everybody should do this program, in my opinion. This is worthy of learning. Another thing is, if you just want the calls, then you can only subscribe to the Telegram channel. It's the full month subscription. You keep getting calls. On days which are irrelevant or which are not clear, we don't make calls. I'll be very frank with you on that. Which are not of any great significance or where the markets are hazy, we will avoid. We want to protect your capital, so we won't make any calls on that. So please WhatsApp me on 982 086 1044. Have a nice day. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.